Good morning, friends. We are ready for lesson 54 of our Sunday. Here we go. Go ahead and read your sounds. Splah, spruh, scruh, shura. Okay, and we're going to spell our sounds. Remember, we've been working on the three-letter blends. So the first sound that I want you to write down is skr. Say it with me, skr. And go ahead and write it. So S-C-R, very good. Our next word, or next sound, is th, like in thin, or thick, or third. That would be T-H. Okay. Our next three-letter blend that we talked about yesterday is sure. Sure. S-H-R. Next one is spluh. Spluh, like splash. S-P-L. Then we have spur, like spring. S-P-R. The last one is, we'll have one more thing after this, but ing. What three letters makes the sound ing? I-N-G, ing. Good job. And then in the middle of the word, two different ways. So we've learned two different ways. We've learned ER first, and then IR as in shirt. All right, nice job, friends. We are ready to read our words. Here we go. Let me just move myself to the side. Spring, shrink, splash, scrape. Scrap, shrine, scrape. Sorry about that. Spray, scribe, split, screen, shrill, script. Sprite, shrug, splint, scram, sprang, spleen. Spree, shred, spry, scratch, shred. Oh, they put that word twice. Shrub. Spruce, shrunk, sprain, shrimp, splice, screech. Shirt, chirp, whirl, birthday, first, skirt. So that had the in the middle, the IR. Irksome, whirlwind, firm, fur, birth, girl. So we see that can be at the beginning of the word as well. Flirt, bird, girth, irk, dirge, third. And our sentences: sprint to the spruce tree. Try not to splash when you swim. Plant the shrub north of the open porch. Close the window when you go. And we're ready to spell our words. The first word we're going to spell is scrub. It has that three-letter blend. Scrub. Repeat it with me. Scrub. Let's spell it. Scrub. Did you get it? All right. Next one, trail. Has that ale. All right. Say it with me. Trail. We're going to spell it T-R-A-L. Very good. Okay, next has a three-letter blend. Splash. Say it with me. Splash. Let's spell it Spol-ash. Very good. The next one has that in the middle. Chirping. Say it with me. Chirping. We spell it ch-er-p-ing. Chirping. Like the bird was chirping. Okay, then we have painter. Painter. All right, say it with me. Painter. Let's spell it P-A-N-T-E-R. Painter. Okay. Our next word is shred. Say it with me. Shred. Let's spell it sh-er-ed. Shred. Our next word is drain. Say it with me. Drain. Let's spell it D-R-A-N. Drain. And then we have spring. Say it with me. Spring. Let's spell it sp-er-ing. That 3-letter ending. Oh, I forgot my S. Spring. Okay, then we have the word firm. Say it with me. Firm. Let's spell it F-erm. Firm. Very good. Our next word is delay. Say it with me. Delay. Let's spell it D-E-L-A. It's got that A. 2 letters that make that sound A. Oh, didn't want to do that. Hold on. You didn't need to see me that close up today, huh? All right. Trying to get rid of my words real quick. All right. Our next word is scratch. Say it with me. Scratch. And it has that 3-letter blend. So we've got skr, a, ch. Scratch. It's got a couple 3-letter blends in it. Let's go ahead and write that. Scratch. Good job. Our next word is waiting. Say it with me. Waiting. Let's spell it W-A-T-ing. Our 3 letters that make that ing sound. Go ahead and write it down. And let's check it. Waiting. Okay, then we have our next word is split. Say it with me. Split. You spell it S-P-L-I-T. Split. Okay. The next word is thirst. Say it with me. Thirst. You spell it Thirst. Thirst. Okay, our next word is faith. Say it with me. Faith. We spell it F-A. Faith. Very good. Our next word is shrug. Say it with me. Shrug. We spell it sh-r-ug. Shrug. Our next word is claim. Say it with me. Claim. Let's spell it K-O-A-M. Claim. And we have sprain. You say it. Sprain. Let's spell it S-P-R-A-N. Sprain. It's got the word rain in it. It's also got those 3 blends, S, P, and R. Okay, our next word is a compound word, and it's a fun word because it's birthday. Birthday. Go ahead and say it with me. Birthday. Let's spell it. B-R-D-A. Birthday. The day you were born. And our last word we're going to spell is relay. You say it. Relay. We spell it R-E-O-A. Relay. Great job. And we are going to be ready to learn our new blends. We're going to have 3 more new blends, or 3 more 3-letter blends that we're going to learn today. So let's get to it. All right. So we have squa. Say it with me. Squa. Let's read some words that have that in there. Square, squid, squelch, squish, squint, squeeze, squib, squire. And we're going to spell a couple of those. Our first one is squish. Say it with me. Squish. We spell it squa. Sh. Okay, and we would write that one like this. Squish. Our next one is squid. Say it with me. Squid. We spell it squid. Squid. Good job. Our next 3-letter blend is stir. Say it with me. Stir. As in the word stripe, strum, string, stretch, strike, stress, strong, and struck. Let's spell a couple of those. Let's spell stripe. It's also got the long I in it. Say it with me. Stripe. Let's spell it I. Stripe. Okay. Another word with that stir in it is struck. Say it with me. Struck. Let's spell it. Struck. Struck. Very good. And our last 3-letter blend we're going to learn is thir. Okay. As in 3, thrash, thresh, thrive, thresher, throne, throw, and thrift. Let's spell the word 3. Say it with me. 3. Let's spell it E. 3. And our next word is throw. Say it with me. Throw. 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 And the last one, thrive. Say it with me. Thrive. Let's spell it. Thrive. Thrive. All right, great job today, friends. Happy Wednesday.